बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरा नाम अमजद खान है। हम MNCC क्रिकेट क्लब के कैप्टन हैं। और बात यह है कि आज माशाल्लाह बड़ा अच्छा टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है जिसमें सारी टीमें शामिल हैं और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये सब हमारे मुसलमान पाकिस्तान भाइयों के लिए खास करके ये फ्लड के लिए टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है और सारी टीमें साथ दे रही हैं। माशाल्लाह ये हमारा सबसे अच्छा टूर्नामेंट है। और दूसरी है कि सब मुसलमान भाइयों की मदद हो रही है। एक तो यह है कि इब्रार भाई ने माशाल्लाह बड़ा अच्छा टूर्नामेंट ये करवाया और सब सारे भाई माशाल्लाह मिलके खेल रहे हैं और अच्छा माशाल्लाह अभी तक तो अच्छा जा रहा है टूर्नामेंट। तो बाकी मेरे भाइयों मुसलमान भाइयों फ्लड के लिए सबको अल्लाह उनको मदद करे और इंशाल्लाह हमारा जो कुछ भी हो सकता है हमारी मदद, मैं स्पॉन्सर भी हूँ और जो कुछ भी मदद है इंशाल्लाह हम कर रहे हैं और अल्लाह सबको अल्लाह खैर और सबको उम्मीद में रखे। आमीन।
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. My name is Sajid Patel and I am part of this event organised by Ibrahim Mir and myself. We appreciate that organising such an event being successful is not only credited by us. This is a joint successful campaign working in partnership with various governing bodies, sporting bodies and the people like yourselves. You have shown their appreciation and support and supported us throughout our journey in participating, contributing to this noble cause and helping us in successfully making this event one to remember for many years. Before I continue, this occasion has been made even more special as it's an honour and privilege to have His Excellency Mr. Wajid Samsud Hassan, High Commission of Pakistan, UK. We are all gathered today for this special occasion in regards of organising such a sporting event such as the 7-a-side indoor cricket tournament. The aims and objectives for this event to take place were due to raising funds for the Pakistan flood relief, as the world is fully aware that there are people in need who are struggling with very limited resources, and it is all our duties to work together in helping people in need, from children, the elderly, the families who lost their lives, some who suffer from critical illnesses, losing their homes, valuables and other terrible experiences like this. And using this sporting platform, we congratulate all participating cricket clubs who have given us such great entertainment, performance and fine moments to highlight the event in their participating in this fantastic charity event. Well done to you. It is a great pleasure to bring you and to continue this presentation ceremony, Mr. Ibrahim Mir.
Everyone knows that this was a totally non-political but a humanitarian event today we held here with your help and sports from other people. I'll name their organizations and respective chairman or whatever later on. But I would like to say that, as Sajid Patel mentioned, this is only for the flood-affected people in Sindh in Pakistan. So we just wanted to give a gesture that overseas Pakistanis or Asians or Muslims, we do our sports event as well, and we want to raise our voice from here that we are with them. Basically, we wanted to do this platform on Sajid Patel and I have formed an unincorporated charity which is called The Way, with the slogan "You Need a Will." But we haven't done it. We done it on open basis. So, and as you played here today, there was no winner, no loser. So everybody was a winner. So I just like to, before I request the High Commissioner of Pakistan, Mr. Wajid Shamsul Hassan, I would like to read out some people who supported. Like, first of all, credit goes to you. You players came here since morning, and you played. You gave your time, your charity, whatever. Well done to you. First. This is alphabetically ordered. Aman Domestic Appliances, Barking Road, Amjad Khan, he is a winner today and he contributed as well. Sachraj, a community leader, is here from Surrey, he contributed as well. David Property, Green Street, Upper Park, Seem Yassin, he is in Spain, so he contributed as well. GM Brothers Cricket Club, they couldn't play, but they made their donations. Their captain, Mr. Mohammad Shahid, is not here, but well done to them. Great Fellas, Catherine Road, he contributed Mr. Asghar Rashid, and he said, this is from my pocket money to Pakistan flood affected. Well done. Well done. High Street North, he is not here, he is in Dubai, Mr. Amir Mia. Raison Travel, Waltham Stoke, Mr. Malik Anwar. Select Motors, Romford Road, Forest Gate, Mr. GM Khan, who is here with us. Stratford City College, Joseph Ray Road, Leytonstone, Mr. Sami Faruqi is with us. And last but not the least, 20s Plenties League, Cricket League, Kirkdale Road, Leytonstone. Mr. Nahid Patel is the chairman, he is not here, but vice chairman Sajid Patel. They contributed his efforts full time with me to make this event successful. Sajid, before we give it to I think Mr. High Commissioner, please sir, we would like you to please guide the community and motivate for this time of need.
I don't think they need motivation. Their very presence shows they are motivated, and I'm very glad to have come here today, although it is very cold and I had a very long day this morning. And I came here because the spirit that was reflected in the letter of invitation to me, that you people are playing cricket and one-day match, 20 matches, to collect funds. I won't call charity, but to collect funds for the people who have been affected in Sindh and other parts of Pakistan by the recent floods. And these floods, unlike the previous one, they were as devastating as the last year one. But unlike the last year one, when the international community came forth with a lot of assistance, this time because of the donor fatigue and various other reasons, Libyan war and Somali starvation and famine and all that, there was lack of interest in donors' response. But still people of Pakistan, especially our diaspora and people who believe in the commonality of welfare of all interfaith communities who are living together, especially in this society, which is the best example of how harmony can be promoted and peaceful coexistence can be achieved. So that's how you are going to do it, and you have done it, and I'm very happy and I must congratulate all those who have really participated in these big matches. I hope that they will continue these efforts and will make their hard work worthwhile for the people who are suffering back home. And wherever, of course, even, I don't discriminate any country. If it were to happen in India, Bangladesh, or any other place, we all should work together. For example, Turkey, they have been having earthquakes very frequently. And I get on the internet, they appeal for assistance. We should also do something for them. Because they are part of us and they are part of humankind. And we must all support them. So with these words, I am very happy to be here. I am grateful to all of you for having done. And I'm very I hope some of you get to the top in cricket as well. Not in match fixing, but winning the matches for us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I would like to call upon the players. I would like to mention that this unincorporated charity we are going to form, as Mr. Vice Chancellor and His Excellency said that I mentioned different countries. So we'll be promoting some sports talent and disasters as well, like in Afghanistan, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. That's how we'll be doing our unincorporated charity. So Mr. Sajid Patel, if you would like to call upon the players, first
Before I do anything, at the end, I would like to thank all our print electronic media for their great participation. We started this tournament with 12 teams who participated and were drawn into 4 groups. The respective teams who topped their respective groups qualified into the semi-finals. The semi-finals winners had a token and they played in the final. The final was between 2 teams, Aman CC versus Prince CC2. Aman CC, congratulations to them. They are well-deserved champions. Let's not forget Prince CC2 with their efforts to getting this far and giving us such a great opportunity and a great performance. Well done to you guys as well. We first like to call the players from
Prince CC1 is here.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. We first like to call the players of the runners-up team. Prince CC1?
Wasim Shabir.
Wasim Shabir? Okay, losers of the semi-finals, please come collect your award.
Excuse me, sir.
You are winners, yes.
Just move it back.
Yasin Khan of Australia, please come and collect your I had the privilege to umpire seeing such a talented leg spinner. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Okay. One umpire, Mr. Dilawar Patel, to please come and collect his award. Okay, now we're going to call the players from the runners-up team, Prince CC2. Can all the players come and the captain to come last? Can all the players from Prince CC2 to make your way and let your awards
Pictures.
Okay, thank you all. Well done. We'd like to get the captain, Mr. Afzal Bhai, to come and collect his Afzal Mohammed. Now, as we've all been waiting for, can we call the players from the champions of the Pakistan Flood Relief 7-a-side indoor tournament, Aman Sisi, and the captain to come We like the captain of Aman Sisi, Mr. Amjad Khan, to collect his award. Please come and collect your award and say a few words, please. Come on in.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पहला तो सब भाइयों को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्पेशली मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि हमारे जो सीनियर मेंबर आए हैं, हमारे जो हाई कमिश्नर साहब हैं, और सारा ये फ्लड के लिए टूर्नामेंट हो रहा था, सारे भाइयों ने शामिल हुए हैं और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इंशाल्लाह फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे करें तो हमारे मुल्क के लिए ज़रूरत है। और देखें कि हमारे मुल्क में कितने बंदे इस फ्लड की वजह से जो बेचारे बेघर हुए, तो इंशाल्लाह इन फ्यूचर में भी ये मेबरार, सबसे पहला तो मेबरार भाई को थैंक यू बोलते हैं जिन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया। सबसे पहले इंशाल्लाह हमारे सीनियर मेंबर साहब को मैं थैंक यू बोलता हूँ। इंशाल्लाह जो भी टाइम मिला तो हम इब्रार भाई हम तावन करने के लिए तैयार हैं इंशाल्लाह।
Special award from the community to show our appreciation for our good work to the High Commission of Pakistan. Please show your appreciation as we're going to award him. And out of his goodwill, he has given the charity fundraising £1,500. This is what we raised. the presentation ceremony, on the behalf of the organising committee, myself and Ibrahim Mir, our guests and sponsors, we would like to thank all who have played a major part to this successful event, and without all of you, this wouldn't be possible. Well done to you all. Thank you very much.
So look straight, please.
ये पाकिस्तान कम्युनिटी ने आज जो फ्लड रिलीफ के लिए जो मैच खेला, ये 12 टीमें शामिल थी इसमें, और ये नॉकआउट कंपटीशन था। और इसमें जो भी फंड रेज़ किया है लोकल लोगों ने और लोकल टीमों ने मिलके, वो पाकिस्तान के फ्लड से जो भी मुतासरीन हैं उनके लिए पेश किया है। इस सिलसिले में पाकिस्तान के हाई कमिश्नर ख़ुद आए थे यहाँ पर, और उन्होंने काफ़ी बच्चों की हिम्मत अफजाई की और चैरिटी ऑर्गेनाइज़र की हिम्मत अफजाई की, जिससे काफ़ी फ़ख्र महसूस होता है पाकिस्तानी होने पे हम सबको। और इंशाअल्लाह इसी किस्म के चैरिटी या जब भी पाकिस्तान को या उम्मत मुस्लिमा को ज़रूरत पड़े, तो इसी किस्म के यही बच्चे हैं जो आज देख के इस चैरिटी फंक्शन को या फ़ंड रेजिंग को देख के इंशाअल्लाह ये ख़ुद आइंदा ख़ुद ये इस किस्म के इक़दाम लेंगे, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज न्यूहैम में पाकिस्तान के जो सिंध में और पाकिस्तान में जो सैलाब से मुतासरा लोग हैं उनके रिलीफ के लिए एक चैरिटी मैच खेला गया। तो उसमें पूरे लंदन से टीमों ने हिस्सा लिया। उसमें जितना भी फंड रेज हुआ वो पाकिस्तान में भेजने के लिए, ताकि वो सैलाब से मुतासरा जो बेघर लोग हैं उनकी कुछ इमदाद हो सके। ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानियों को इस तरह के इवेंट्स में भरपूर शिरकत करनी चाहिए और अपने मुल्क पे जब भी कोई बुरा वक़्त आए उसकी बढ़ चढ़ के मदद करनी चाहिए। ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तान में जितने भी पाकिस्तानी हैं उनको जमातों से बालातार होकर सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान और उसके बाद अपनी अपनी जमातों में जो कुछ वो करना चाहें वो करते रहें, लेकिन जब भी पाकिस्तान पे कोई बुरा वक़्त आए सबसे पहले पाकिस्तान की हर तरह से मदद करनी चाहिए। यही मेरा मैसेज है तमाम पाकिस्तानियों से। अल्लाह हाफिज़।
जी, आज 13 अक्टूबर 2011 संडे को हमने यहाँ पे फ्लड रिलीफ का एक टूर्नामेंट किया, जिसमें हमने फंड रेजिंग की। माई सेल्फ, इब्रार मीर एंड साजिद पटेल। हमने यहाँ पे हाई कमिश्नर ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाजिद शम्स हसन साहब को चीफ गेस्ट बुलाया, ताकि गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान को जो भी हम फंड कलेक्ट कर सकें वो दिए हमने आज। और बड़ा अच्छा 12 टीम्स का इवेंट भी हुआ और बड़े पीसफुली, और लड़कों ने बड़ा अच्छी गेम भी पेश की। और जिन लोगों ने हमें इस नोबल काज के लिए सपोर्ट किया है, हम उनका भी शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। और इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, और ह्यूमैनिटेरियन बेसिस पे जो करते हैं, चाहे वो इंडियन, बांग्लादेशी, अफगानी और श्रीलंकन हो, वी आर यूनाइटेड हियर एंड इंशाल्लाह विल बी डूइंग द सेम थिंग फॉर इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, अफगानिस्तान एंड श्रीलंका एज वेल। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Assalamu alaikum. It is a great pleasure and honor to be part of this organization in organizing such a fantastic, successful seven-a-side cricket tournament indoor for the Pakistan flood relief. I myself have got relatives in Karachi, but my most family are from India. But I am very honored and very happy and very satisfied that myself and being involved with such great people here, Ibrahim as well, we have organized such a great tournament. The tournament was played in such great spirit. Everyone entertained us, everyone gave us some great cricket show and everything else. So well done to all the teams. It wouldn't be possible without the teams participating, as well as all the contribution from sponsors and people who are donating from their pockets as well. So well done to everyone. And for Pakistan, I hope this money can help you for the cause, and inshallah things will hopefully be better, inshallah. Thank you.
कंटिन्यू करें मुझे भाई। मैं उन लोगों का भी शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ, अमन डोमेस्टिक अप्लायंसेस, एलियट डेविस प्रॉपर्टीज, लाहौर, ग्रिल फेलाज, कैथरीन रोड, ईस्ट हैम, Raison Travel, 20 Plenties Cricket League, Naid Patel, जो साजिद पटेल की cricket league है, और I'm forgetting some other names, Asad Nawaz, sorry, and Stratford City College as well. There are other people as well, and especially my teammates, Rashid Khan, Wasim, Shabir, Ishtiyaq Mahmood, Hamid Gul, Jabran Mughal, and Azwar Ali, who is not here, and Ali, there's Ali Hussain, he's not here. So they all helped me, Bilal Khan and Samiullah Khan, they all helped me for this successful and noble cause. Inshallah, we'll be together. Thank you very much.